Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are facing the issue like this, the uploaded file exceeds the upload maximum file size, then it means you are uploading the files like theme and plugins to the website, but website is not responding due to the low uploading size. So in order to fix this, there are two simple steps. You have to log into your cpanel and then change the php.ini file. So without wasting time, let's start this. Just go to your cpanel and then write here multi php.ini editor. Okay, you will go to the editor mode, but you can also find this option at the bottom of the page, multi php.ini editor. Just click on this and here you will select the domain for which you want to change the php.ini file. Just select the domain, in my case lifeline.compare, and then go down and you will see two options. One is post max size, that is 8 MB, and second is upload max file size, that is 2 MB. Now keep in mind the post maximum size should be greater than upload maximum file size. Okay, so this is too low size, 8 MB and 2 MB is too low, so I will increase the size so that I can easily upload the files by using WordPress. Simply increase this around 256 MB and this is 200. You can change any number, you can change 512, 512 or 256, whatever you want. Just change it and then click on apply. Your php.ini file is updated. Now go back to your WordPress dashboard and you are uploading the plugin. Just reload it and upload the file again, and you will see that your file will be uploaded to the website. Wait for few seconds, it will upload the file. Yes, now your file is uploaded to the website. Just activate this. So this is a simple way to upload the file size into the website, but if you feel the issue like php.ini issue, then you can fix this issue by using this simple video steps. Hopefully you find this video very helpful. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel and also like and share this video. Thanks for watching and thank you very much.